Hey guys, what's up? So today I'll be showing you how to create 3D photos on Facebook. And guys, at the moment right now, this only works on your iPhone as the time of this recording. It could be on Androids and Windows and other phones in the near future. Right now it's only iPhones. So first off, you guys want to open Facebook. Alright, so tap open up Facebook. And then right here, you just want to tap on what's on my mind. And then guys, you guys should scroll down and see something called 3D photos. So first off, if you guys did not see that, it could mean that your app is not up to the latest version. It's not updated. So what you guys want to do is actually go to the App Store. And once you're at the App Store, guys, all you want to do is then update Facebook. So now we're going to update to the latest version. Alright guys, so once you guys update Facebook and Facebook is on the latest version, you then can open up. Alright, so once you guys update Facebook and it's on the latest version, you guys could then open up Facebook. And if it's your first time opening Facebook, you need to make an account or sign in with your account. Alright, so after you guys sign in or make your account, you guys then can tap on what's on your mind. And then now when you guys scroll down, you guys should see something called live photos. Alright guys, so once you guys update the app and open it up and sign up with your account or sign in with your account, you guys want to tap on what's on your mind. And then guys, scrolling down or actually right in the GIF, it should say 3D photo. You guys want to tap on that. So for me, I have the iPhone SE and this only works on the iPhone 7 Plus and higher. So like the iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 7, the iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, and the iPhone X and the XR and the XS. Anything above the 7 Plus or iPhone 7, it works on because that has the live 3D photos or whatever. So that's why it's not popping up for me. But basically guys, you guys want to take the photo before you tap on the 3D photo. So do that, tap on your home button and then go over to where you guys have your camera, your install camera app, tap on that. And basically you guys want to, how you're all defaultly on photo on the bottom, you guys want to scroll over to you guys go to portrait. So obviously I don't have portrait because I'm not on the right phone, or the SC doesn't have it. But for portrait, you guys can take the picture on portrait. On the bottom, we would say portrait, and then I basically say like you're too close, too far, and you want to get like a certain distance. Like you can't be too close for it, and it won't work. And then once you guys take the photo and you're a certain distance away, you guys then want to open back up Facebook. And once you guys open back Facebook, you go to what's your mind, and now go to 3D photo where it should say right above or right under GIF. And then once you guys tap on that, you guys can basically just like post it as like it's a regular post. But, comment anything you want on it, post it. But basically when people actually tap onto it, they actually would see it as a 3D photo. So basically like when people tap on, they actually move their phone around. They can see basically around the photo. So it's a pretty cool feature Facebook added. And I want to show you guys. So sorry I don't have the proper device that this works on and supports. But I hope this helped you out as much as possible if I can. If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave them down
below. I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible.
And help you guys out. And yeah guys, peace.